How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're here in the workshop. We're going to be rebuilding the rear brake calipers on my S14. As you might have seen in my last track day, the handbrake wasn't really working as good as it used to. Because after putting on those new brake pads, it's been working absolutely mint, and then all of a sudden, felt like absolute crap. So we're gonna take a look and see what's going on. Right, so I just got the wheel off, and you can see between the halves of the caliper we have a leak. Yep. You guys can see it dripping down there in the center there. So you've got to remember, these calipers are, 20-30 years old. So the seals have probably never been changed, and over the years they've been breaking down. Just a bit of tyre rubber. Oh well, we'll rip those calipers off and let's get to rebuilding them. Right, now that we've got our calipers off, we can give them a clean up and pull them apart. I'm going to give these a good clean up and then we'll go from there. Right, hopefully you guys can hear me because it's pissing down with rain outside. First up, we're going to pick out the little dust clip. That little bad boy there. Pull that off. Pull the dust boot out. Ooh, yummy. Same with the other side. Pull those out like so. Look, you can see this dust boot has been split. There's all sorts of grit and grime in there. Right, so we've got the caliper sitting here in our vise, and we're going to use a 14mm to undo the four bolts there, which hold the two halves together. Ooh. That does not sound too happy. So you see these two seals here, they should be nice and rubbery, and they are just hard, brittle shit. Oh yeah, bit of corrosion around there too. These little puppies here are our problem. But we have got, can you guys hear that rain? Ooh. We've got this beautiful little rebuild kit, which comes with these little puppies, which is what we want. Right, now that was a mission to get out, I'm going to put my finger over there and put some air down there, and hopefully it'll blow out. Ooh. We got it. Yeah, that works a treat. Actually, this lens looks pretty mean. Make sure you guys comment down below on the quality of this video, right? Oh yeah. These are hard, brittle and crunchy. That's the problemo. Right, so that's one half done. We're going to put that out of the way and start on the next one. See all the corrosion down the bottom there? And those little O-rings. Kaput. That's why it's been leaking. And we're just going to use a pick to pick these seals out. Ooh. Look at the corrosion on that one. So now's the time we'd give these a good clean up and a bit of paint, but for my car it's not getting a paint, we just want good reliable handbrake. Right, so we're just giving everything a good clean. You can see this caliper half got left in the solution a little bit too long, and half of it's compact aluminium. But everything's nice and clean. Right. Start with our big boy into the caliper half. We're all lubed up. Get that in there. We've got that one there in there. Do the same with the other half. Ideally when you're putting these in, you want to bring the bottom in like that and then pop it out like so. Just want to make sure these here are seated all the way in. Right, then we're going to bolt the two halves back together, and we're going to put a teeny tiny blob of blue Loctite on each bolt. Done. Caliper is joined together and sealed. Now we're just going to give her a good clean up. Good wipe down. Get all the brake fluid off the outside. And then we will install the pistons, or the pots, whatever you want to call them. Went around the outside with a good bit of Scotch-Brite just to get rid of all the corrosion on them. And they look absolutely mint, but if they've got severe pitting or anything, they need to be replaced. But these ones are all good. So yeah, just using a bit of silicone grease, as this part is not going to be in contact with brake fluid, so it's a bit easier on the hands. They're a super tight fit, but just make sure you got them all the way on. Nice. Now we're ready to install these into the caliper. We're just going to make sure we got a thin film of brake fluid around here, and Might take a bit of force over those new seals to get in. And then we can roll the seal onto the caliper, and then we can install our clip. Beautiful, one caliper complete. Oh, sensational. Look at that. Just like I bought one. Oh well, there we have it. A quick little caliper rebuild before a weekend of drifting. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and some of the information might have been helpful if you guys are considering rebuilding your own calipers. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and consider subscribing. Catch you in the next one.